Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, it's been what I would call an interesting day personally. So we had the really pretty important monthly unemployment number, probably the most important one we've had in years, and it came out a little hotter than expected. The non-farm payrolls, which are people who are on the payroll that are not working on a farm, as indicated, came out at 193,000 versus 180,000 estimated. So about 20,000 more. What is that? A little over 10 or 5% more, something like that. So I mean, little hotter. The average hourly earnings came out at 4% month over month versus 4% estimated. And the unemployment rate fell a bit, or at least was lower than expectations. It was 3.7 versus 3.9. So yesterday, what I said is, as long as we don't get a super out of whack number, well, if we get a super out of whack number today, then I would have expected the market to fall either way. And I guess this was just not out of whack enough. So, I mean, it's just incredible buoyancy of this market. Will stocks go up forever? Obviously, we know the answer to that question is no. But I'll tell you what, man, this unbreakable rally has definitely surprised me some. I didn't think we could just keep going like this. But that said, there's always these trader idioms that have grown out of people witnessing the same thing over and over again through the years. And there's one, and it says, don't fight the tape. If stocks are going up, then stocks are going up. And just because you think it's overextended does not mean that you ought to fade that rally necessarily. We do have a cheap VIX, which is nice for people who want to hedge at this point, expecting a pullback. But fighting the tape is a real challenge. So that said, have yourself a great weekend. Do your research over the weekend when you have some time, and we'll get ready for next week. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.